What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from Alibaba to Shopify. Now I'm going to create a new Shopify store right now so that I can show you exactly how you can import products or add products from Alibaba to your Shopify store. Now this is very quick and easy. All you have to do, guys, is drop a like for me. That would be highly appreciated. Now let's get started right now. After, as you can see, guys, building your store, now I have successfully built my store. As you can see, this is the store that we are going to use for this video. So to import products, this is, like I said, easy. So the first thing you need to do, guys, after you open your Shopify store, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you need to click on apps and sales channels. As you can see, click on Shopify App Store in the top right. So the reason why you need to click on Shopify App Store is to download an app. It's called Alibaba Dropshipping. Now you just want to search for Alibaba Dropshipping. Okay, now this is the app that we are going to use. As you can see, it's called Alibaba Dropshipping Official. Okay, this is the official app of Alibaba. So Alibaba is like, they made this app to make dropshipping easier for people who are using Alibaba, okay, to dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. Now you want to click on add app, okay, and you need to log in or whatever if they ask you to do that. If they don't ask you, just want to click on install in the top right. You need to click on install. As you can see, it says here, this app is currently unsupported. It may not work as expected until the developer updates it. You can contact the developer via Shopify App Store, but it works. So I didn't receive the message. I used it I think like 10 days ago. I didn't receive this message, but for you, if you receive something like this, just know that the developer will fix the app as soon as possible, so you don't need to worry about it. Just click on install app. Alright, now after you do that, guys, you need to log into your Alibaba account. Okay, now you can use your Alibaba, and that's it. Now what you need to do, guys, it will take you directly to this page. What you need to do, guys, you need to click on my store here at the very bottom left, and you need to scroll down. Okay, scroll down and click on add store, like in the Shopify. Click on add store, and you need to go to your Shopify store, and you need to click on settings, and you need to copy this URL. As you can see, copy this. Okay, this is the URL, my store, enter my store, and you go back to Alibaba, enter the URL, click on add store, and as you can see, this has been connected. Okay, now after it's connected, what you need to do, guys, next, so I already connected this successful. As you can see, this is it. Okay, it's connected. Make sure it says here connected. All right, now what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on you want to open your Shopify store. Okay, again, and click on settings, click on apps and sales channels, click on dropshipping Alibaba official, click on it, click on open app. That's it. And now you want to search for any product that you want to import to your Shopify. So I want to import, for example, iPhone cases. All right, all these products you can easily import them. Click, for example, on this one. After you click on any product, you need to click on add to import list. Find another product, it says here. And after you import, you click on add to import list. After you click on it, click on go to import list. Okay, and import. This is the import list, and this is the products. As you can see, click on push to Shopify, and select your Shopify store. This is my Shopify store. I'm going to select both of them. I'm going to push this to two of my stores, and this will be pushed to your Shopify, and you can start editing it as you want. You can start editing the price. Now open now your Shopify store, open it, click on products, and this is the product. Okay, we have successfully imported this to our Shopify. Now if someone places an order and you need to buy that from Alibaba and ship it directly to yeah, by the way, like after someone buys from you on Shopify, you need to go back to Shopify, click settings, click on apps and sales channels, click on dropshipping Alibaba official, click on open app, and click on my orders. And here you will find the list of orders that you have. Like if someone buys from you on Shopify, you will find that product here, and you can just like buy it. Like you will have to pay for the product and you will ship it directly. So make sure you increase the price. Okay, you need to go to Shopify products, and you need to edit this. Okay, you need to edit the price of the item. Click on the title, and here you will find all the information, like the description and the price. Here, as you can see, you can edit the price so that you can make it profitable for you. That's it. So this is very easy. Now let's say that you don't understand anything. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments right now. I reply to every single comment. And please drop a like on this video, and make sure you watch the video in the screen. It's very important, guys, to watch the video in the screen. It will help you a lot. So see you guys in the next video.